Hello, little scientists. Welcome to Simple Science for Kids, where every day is full of discovery, wonder, and magical surprises. Are you ready to explore the world around you? Let's go! Scene 1. What is science? Science is like a superpower. It helps us understand how things work, from the shining sun to the water we drink, and even the air we breathe. Science explains everything. Kids with magnifying glasses looking at flowers, rocks, and insects. When we ask questions like why, how, what happens if, guess what? We are doing science. Scene 2. The magic of water. Let's start with water. Water can be a liquid, a solid, or gas. When water gets very cold, it becomes ice. When it gets very hot, it turns into steam. Isn't that cool? Kids putting ice cubes in warm water and watching steam from a kettle. So next time you see ice melting or a hot cup steaming, remember, science is happening right in front of you. Scene 3. Gravity. Why things fall. Have you ever dropped your toy and it fell down? That's because of something called gravity. Gravity pulls everything toward the ground. A kid dropping a ball. It bounces. Try jumping. You come back down, right? That's gravity giving you a friendly pull. Scene 4. Light and shadows. Let's play with light. When light hits an object, it makes a shadow. Shadows can be tall, short, or funny shapes. Kids making shadow puppets with a flashlight. Science helps us understand why shadows change size throughout the day. Scene 5. Sound. Clap your hands. Did you hear that sound? Sound travels in waves. When something vibrates, it makes sound. Kids tapping drums, shaking bells. Even our voices are tiny vibrations traveling through the air. Scene 6. Many experiments safe and simple. Let's do a super simple experiment. Take a glass of water, add oil, and watch. The oil floats. Why? Because oil is lighter than water. Layers forming. Science teaches us that different liquids have different weights. Scene 7. Being a good scientist. To be a great scientist, you need to observe, look closely, ask questions, experiment, try new things, learn, find answers. Kids wearing lab coats, smiling. Science is fun, and you can be a scientist every day. Science is everywhere in the sky, on the ground, in your home, and even inside you. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, keep discovering the magic of the world. Thank you for joining Simple Science for Kids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun adventures. Bye-bye, little scientists.